So we're done with our walking, and Asian and Maya, they're tired. Well, they must not be that tired. She's still trying to get plums.
Oh, these no right. Get him, God, get him. Man, I'm about to go. Come on, Trey.
Yeah, we're about to leave.
Wait, just get one. You fooling around, man.
But yeah. But anyway, our walk was pretty fun. We had a good time. They're tired now. And I must admit, I'm kind of tired too.
I got cheese.
So she has cheese. But, yeah, we leaving Asia behind. y'all see her behind us? We leave her behind. But, yeah. Peace out, everybody. That was our journey for our nature walk.